Welcome to the best picks. The best floating shelf is probably one of the most versatile and stylish additions you can make to your home decor, offering a sleek, modern look that seemingly defies gravity by mounting directly to the wall without visible supports, thereby maximizing your space while adding a touch of minimalist elegance that can transform any room from cluttered to chic, making it an ideal solution for displaying everything from cherished photographs and art pieces to books and decorative items, all while maintaining a clean and uncluttered aesthetic that enhances the overall ambience of your living space. Number 5. Master & Co. 72-inch solid wood floating fireplace mantel. Elevate your living space with this beautiful fireplace mantel. Its antique natural wood finish creates a warm and inviting centerpiece for any room. Measuring 72 inches long, this floating shelf offers ample space for your decor. It's designed to support up to 30 pounds, providing sturdy display capabilities. Crafted from durable pine wood with a reinforced hollow back, this shelf is built to last. The quality construction ensures both beauty and resilience. Enjoy a hassle-free setup with our easy-to-hang design. It includes all necessary hardware and clear instructions for a secure installation. From Master & Company, this piece is part of a premier collection of sophisticated home decor. We use only the finest materials to add a warm aesthetic to your home. What we like? This mantel offers a warm, inviting centerpiece with its antique natural wood finish. It's crafted from quality pine wood with a reinforced hollow back for simplified hanging. If you're looking to create a cozy focal point above a fireplace or display cherished items with a classic touch, this is an excellent choice. What people say? The shelf is very sturdy and can hold a good amount of weight. The floating design gives it a clean and modern look. Installation was straightforward and the included hardware was high quality. Number 4. BAOBAB Workshop Wood Floating Shelves. Introducing our beautiful floating shelves, handcrafted from 100% solid pine. They are finished in a warm walnut tone, highlighting the natural grain for a clean farmhouse look. With a natural walnut finish and a clean floating design, these deep shelves offer decorative and functional wall storage. They are perfect for any room in your home. This set of 2 shelves comes with hidden mounting hardware and a step-by-step installation guide. Enjoy easy wall mounting for a seamless look. Featuring hidden stainless steel brackets made from solid metal, these shelves provide stable support. They ensure secure installation on drywall or into wood studs. These hanging shelves are perfect for organizing essentials in your bathroom, kitchen, or laundry room. Keep your toiletries and small household items neatly stored. What we like? These shelves bring a clean farmhouse look with their natural walnut finish and visible grain. They are handcrafted from 100% solid pine and feature hidden stainless steel brackets for a stable, floating appearance. If you need versatile storage for multiple rooms like the bathroom, kitchen, or bedroom and appreciate a natural wood aesthetic, this set of 2 is ideal. What people say? The shelf is very sturdy and holds a good amount of weight. It was easy to install and looks great in my living room. The floating design gives it a clean and modern look. Number 3. JOELSANTIQUES 72-inch rustic wooden floating shelves. Introducing our stunning 72-inch floating shelves, crafted from natural wood for a touch of rustic elegance. They are designed to effortlessly elevate any room in your home. These shelves offer a generous 8-inch depth, providing ample space for your books, plants, and cherished decor. Their heavy-duty construction ensures your items are displayed safely and securely. Forget complicated setups. Our patented mounting system makes installation a breeze. You'll have these beautiful shelves adorning your walls in no time. Proudly made in the USA from sustainable pine and US steel, these shelves represent exceptional quality and craftsmanship. They are built to last and support local industries. Before ordering, we recommend measuring your space to ensure the perfect fit. If you have any questions about color or texture, feel free to message us for free samples. It's the best way to guarantee satisfaction. Rest assured, these shelves are built to hold your treasures. The 72-inch shelf can support up to 50 pounds, making them ideal for displaying a variety of items. What we like? This shelf provides substantial display space with its generous 8-inch depth and heavy-duty solid wood construction. It's designed for effortless installation using a patented wood stud mounting system. If you have larger decorative items, books, or plans to display and value rustic charm and robust support, this USA-made option is perfect for you. What people say. The shelf is very sturdy and can hold a good amount of weight. Installation was straightforward and the included hardware made it easy to mount securely. The floating design looks very clean and modern, enhancing the room's aesthetic. Number 2. Wallniture Denver White Picture Ledge 72. Transform any corner into a cozy reading nook. Keep your beloved books and cherished picture frames easily accessible, all while adding a touch of rustic charm to your walls. These floating shelves are built for lasting durability, offering a practical way to maximize your wall space. Enjoy more floor space and effortless relocation when needed. Their elegant, long design in white effortlessly complements any interior. Perfect for creating a stylish nursery, modern living room, boho bedroom, or farmhouse kitchen. This set of 2 shelves is ideal for showcasing your favorite items. Display picture frames, vinyl records, figurines, plants, and books in your living room or bedroom. Setting up your new shelves is a breeze. With all the necessary hardware and a mini level included, you'll have them mounted and ready in just a few minutes. What we like. This set of 2 white floating shelves offers a stylish and functional way to organize and decorate any room. Their long design fits seamlessly into various decor styles, from nursery to modern living rooms. If you're aiming to create a specific aesthetic like a reading nook or a farmhouse kitchen and need adaptable display solutions, these are a great fit. What people say. The shelf is very sturdy and holds a good amount of weight. Easy to install and looks great in my living room. The floating design gives it a clean and modern look. Number 1. JOELSANTIQUES 72-inch heavy-duty floating shelf. Introducing our handcrafted 72-inch wooden floating shelf, built with authentic craftsmanship to hold significant weight without sagging. It's the ultimate heavy-duty solution for displaying your favorite decor, books, or accents. Installation is a breeze with our patented, easy mount bracket. You can have this shelf securely mounted in under 15 minutes, with all hardware and instructions included. Crafted from premium solid pine wood, this shelf boasts unique grain patterns and a reclaimed style finish. It adds a genuine, warm rustic aesthetic to any room. With its deep 10-inch profile, it offers ample display space. Use it above your couch, as a kitchen shelf for dishes, or as a thick mantel in your bedroom. Each shelf is meticulously handcrafted, stained, and inspected by hand right here in America. We ensure a beautiful, heavy-duty wood shelf that is built to last a lifetime. Want to see the quality for yourself? Message us with your name and address for free samples. You can touch the wood, feel the grain, and see the color in your own space. What we like. This shelf boasts a deep 10-inch profile, perfect for accommodating larger decorative items and heavy books. It features an authentic rustic wood texture and a patented easy mount bracket for quick installation. If you prioritize significant display capacity, a genuine reclaimed wood aesthetic, and robust weight-bearing capabilities for a statement piece, this is the shelf for you. What people say. The shelf is very sturdy and holds a good amount of weight. Easy to install and looks great in my living room. The floating design gives it a modern and clean look. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.